Hi and welcome to another tutorial session. In today's video, I will show you how to verify a signature in Docusign. The first thing as always that you want to do is head over to your preferred browser and then type in docusign.com and it will take you to this page. And on this page now, you have the options of signing in or logging in if you already have an account. If you do not have an account, ensure that you follow through the signing in process armed with your Gmail address, passwords, phone numbers, and whatever information will be needed of you to sign up. And when you're done with that, ensure that you log in, click on the login button, and then it will take you straight up to the Docusign platform. So this is what my dashboard looks like after I have successfully logged in. Now, to show you how to verify a signature in Docusign, head over to your agreements menu over here. This is where all forms of signatures are signed and ensured that they are properly done. So you click on agreement and you see the document that you want to work with. So this is the document I want to ensure or verify its signatories. Now, verifying a signature in Docusign is very important. This is because it helps to confirm authenticity of that particular document, to detect any form of tampering, to maintain legal validity, and to protect against fraud. It has a world of activities, or it has a world of usefulness that it gives to your document. You can also ensure that it provides an audit trail. So for this particular document that we want to verify its signatories, we will just head over to the sign button over here, all right, and click on this sign, and it will take us to the page where we can verify this document authenticity. Now on this page, you can see that we have the document displayed on our screen, and you can see that we are on a review page. So this is where you can ensure that you check through that all the signatures or all the signatories here are verified and are known to you. And when you're done, you just have to head over to the bottom and click on finish. And this is a very simple and straightforward way that you can verify your document. So remember, we headed over to agreement and then we clicked on the particular document we want to verify its signatories, and then clicked on sign. And after we clicked on that, it took us to the next page where we were able to verify the signatories, as you can see over here. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was explanatory for you, and now you know how to verify signatories in your Docusign account. Until next time, bye for now.